The new golden age. Why senior entrepreneurship is exploding beyond the traditional retirement, exploring the societal shifts fueling this movement in 2026. Dispelling the too late myth, real-world examples of impactful ventures started in the 60s, 70s, and beyond. The experience advantage. How accumulated wisdom and networks are prime assets for new ventures. From wisdom to wealth, tapping into your unique edge, identifying your passion sweet spot, exercises to uncover profitable opportunities aligned with lifelong interests, leveraging your professional past, transforming previous career skills into viable business models. The power of the personal brand, how authenticity and storytelling attract customers later in life. Navigating the modern landscape, tools and tactics for success, digital dexterity, essential tech skills, AI tools, social media marketing every seniorpreneur needs today. Smart funding strategies, exploring options from bootstrapping to grants and angel investors for mature founders. Building your support system. The importance of mentorship, networking, and community in your entrepreneurial journey. Real stories, real triumphs. Inspiring Seniorpreneur Spotlights Case Study 1, the retired teacher who built a thriving online education platform. Case Study 2, the former executive who launched a sustainable product line. Case Study 3, the empty nester who turned a hobby into a profitable local service. Your next chapter starts now. Actionable steps for aspiring seniorpreneurs. The Discovery Phase Checklist. Initial steps to validate your idea and identify your target market. Minimum Viable Product MVP for seniors. Launching lean and iterating based on early feedback. Staying resilient and enjoying